All right guys, we're walking over here. We're gonna need to clean up all these leaves still. As you can see, we're thinking about mulching, but we're also thinking about dividing. And so this is a great time to divide plants. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Monday.
So guys, today we're out walking around our garden. Fall's tomorrow, so we wanted to get a heads up on what we need to do and where we need to start cleaning up our garden.
Yeah, we've got a few tasks ahead of us, but before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video we post.
So guys, we're walking around our garden. We're gonna pinpoint what we're gonna start for cleanup.
Yeah, you guys, maybe these are some things that you're gonna need to do as well. We hope we can give you some ideas, and we're just gonna show you our starting place, which is planting.
Right guys, here we are. We're out in our front yard and you can see we've got some leaves already down here.
Yeah, as you can see, our dogwood tree is really dumping the leaves all of a sudden. I don't remember it happening this early last year.
Yeah, usually they come down fairly slow, but this year they're kind of dropping pretty fast.
Yeah, look at this, you guys. I mean, it feels like November over here.
Yep.
So we have, a lot of leaf cleanup to do.
Yep. We're gonna get the first bunch of leaves cleaned up, and what we'll do is we'll keep picking them up as the season progresses, but we'll also keep some of the leaves in the beds and then cover them with mulch. And that'll provide another layer of weed protection, but also some more nutrients for all the plants and to go back into the tree later on. All right guys, so you can see we've got some more leaves here. And so there is a difference between picking up the leaves in the garden bed versus picking them up in the gravel. And so what we like to do is we like to do a combination of raking and blowing. Pretty much we'll blow them out of these different areas, and then we'll put them in a pile, and then we'll rake them a little bit more and get them into our debris bin.
So another task that we have ahead of us is cleaning up our big raised beds.
Yep, we've got tomatoes right there, and we're gonna let them mature a little bit longer, see if we can get a few more tomatoes out of them. But with the cold season coming pretty fast here, with the cold temperatures, they're gonna fade really fast. So, and same with these cut flowers. They're gonna fade pretty fast too with the colder nights and cooler days.
Yeah, it looks like they already are. We have so enjoyed this cut flower bed, and we can't wait to plant another one next year. But our new plan is to put a bunch of tulip and daffodil bulbs in these two beds.
Yep, we haven't done that before yet, but we love tulips and daffodils, and we've got a lot of them coming. So we're gonna get these beds cleaned out first, and then we'll plant those bulbs and have a whole flush of new flowers and growth in the spring.
Oh, I can't wait for that. That's gonna be awesome.
Okay guys, so a couple other things we need to think about besides picking up the leaves and cutting back some plants is we've got these perennials that we need to take care of. And we're showing you our Shasta daisies here, but we've also got our gladiolas. And then there's some crocosmia there that we got to clip back too. So there's going to be a little bit of pruning that's going to need to happen to get everything ready this fall for the winter. And so also we've got a really quick 7-day free email course on pruning that you can check out in the link below. And it's great because it talks about what pruning is, why you do it, and a whole bunch of other things that you might not have ever thought of. So we want to make sure that that's available to you. And that's in prep for actually our paid course that we're developing too. That'll be released later this month.
We're over here checking out our Dahlia Patch, and there's our beautiful white Florel Dahlia that came up pretty late. So since our dahlias are actually still actively blooming and they're coming in a little later in September, we're leaving them alone.
Yep, we're only going to cut back what actually needs to be cut back right now, like those gladiolus flowers, the spent flowers, and we're going to let things progress and die back down to the ground in their own time. We're not going to force anything or just come through and do a clear cut of everything. All right, guys, we're walking over here. We're going to need to clean up all these leaves still. As you can see, we're thinking about mulching, but we're also thinking about dividing. And so this is a great time to divide plants. And here is a hosta that we have in the front of our house, our front yard. And we want to divide this and move it just a little bit on the other side of this azalea. And we're going to do that. Yeah. So we got to plan out where we're going to plant it, and it's going to be the right place. And so it's fun.
Oh, it's so fun. And we love this hosta, and the leaves are just beautiful. So we're excited to turn that into multiple plants.
So guys, one thing that does happen throughout the fall and pretty much around the whole year that you can do is mulching. And so one of the last things we're going to think about here about doing is getting the mulch down. And this is our front bed where we're going to do the mulching, some of it anyway. There'll be some in the backyard. So over here, if we go to the left, here is our mulch pile that's still left over. from this summer, and we are going to use the rest of this to spread throughout the garden.
Yeah, really protect those beds and get them all refreshed. It'll be great.
Yep.
So I'm sure there's a few other tasks that we forgot to mention, but fall is a great time for garden care, and it's an important time of year for garden care.
Yep. And these are just some of the things that we're going to take care of in our yard. Our task list will progress and grow and shrink and grow and shrink over the next couple months, but eventually we're going to get all this done, and we hope that was helpful for you to have a nice starting point to take care of your garden this fall.
And again, we have a free pruning course. It's a 7-day course like Sean mentioned, and it'll be linked down below.
And guys, we'll have more videos on fall garden care coming up soon. So as always, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yep, that's a wrap for today, you guys. Enjoy the last day of summer. I know we're going to, and we'll be back tomorrow with another new project. So come on back tomorrow and see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.